Microcracks. The silent enemy stealing our power. What should I do?
Don't be scared. A new hero is rising. Built with copper strength and precision engineering. First ability, Copper Interconnection. It's more resilient than the traditional silver buzzbars used in TopCon, so it won't crack easily. Second ability, One-Line Welding. With AIKO ABC, the stress is evenly distributed, reducing micro-crack risk by up to 90%. Now let's see what happens when they face pressure, hail stepping, extreme temperature cycles. TopCon is filled with micro-cracks, while AIKO ABC remains strong and intact. Its power gives you higher energy output per watt. This is the hero you need.
AIKO ABC got it.